Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. You must use the same Microsoft account on both devices. Once done, update Windows and install the Xbox app so that services match. Open Settings Gaming to enable Xbox networking and check your NAT. This reduces connection issues. Make sure Windows account is linked to a Microsoft account and that background apps are allowed. Without that, the Xbox app cannot register your console or PC correctly. Now you move into the app. Open Xbox, go to Profile and sign in with the exact Microsoft account used on your console. Once signed in, navigate to Settings Accounts to add or confirm the linked account and enable cross-device features. Verify permissions for Xbox Live and notifications so the PC can communicate with Xbox services. If you want game streaming or remote play, enable those features here. They require both devices to accept the same permissions and be on the same network when possible. Finish by testing. Launch an Xbox-enabled game or start remote play to confirm the PC recognizes your Xbox profile and controller. In the app, open console connections and allow streaming. Make sure both devices are online and the PC is discoverable. If linking fails, sign out of the Xbox app, clear saved credentials, then sign back in. Also verify system time, firewall rules, and NAT type. These commonly block account link and streaming. After fixes, retry the connection to finalize linking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.